Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're shedding light on one of the best ceiling lights for slanted ceilings available in the market. The Heircido Black Semi-Flush Mount Ceiling Light. Whether you're looking to illuminate your kitchen, dining room, or living space, this fixture promises to blend industrial style with practical functionality. First off, what makes this ceiling light ideal for slanted ceilings is its versatile design. Equipped with adjustable height metal rods ranging from 7.87 inches to 19.69 inches. It adapts effortlessly to different ceiling angles, ensuring a perfect fit in any room. Constructed from sturdy iron and metal, this fixture not only boasts durability but also offers a modern industrial look that complements various interior styles. Now, let's talk about its features. The Heircido Black Semi-Flush Mount Ceiling Light features 4 independent rotation track heads. This means you can customize the direction of light, providing tailored illumination exactly where you need it. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, working on a project, or simply relaxing, the ability to adjust the light heads ensures optimal brightness and ambiance. As for installation, it's a breeze. The package includes all necessary mounting hardware, and it comes pre-assembled for quick setup. Adjust the rods to your desired height, wire it up, and you're ready to go. With its compatibility with E26 base bulbs, whether LED, CFL, or incandescent, you have the freedom to choose the right bulb type and even use dimmable options for added ambiance control. To wrap it up, the Heircido Black Semi-Flush Mount Ceiling Light combines style, functionality, and ease of installation, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their living space with quality lighting. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews. Until next time, light up your life with the best in home lighting solutions.